Hey guys, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode has this cool one right here, and pretty much what this is an alarm clock that has multiple functions built in. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here from this brand. In the front right here, I believe is the name of the product. They mentioned how it is a IoT, which is Internet of Things, LED clock with wireless charging built in, which is pretty cool. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take out the wrapper, if you guys open it, right here we do have the box. If you guys do open it, once you guys do open it and see there's a lot of stuff inside, let's take everything out. So the first thing inside right here, they do provide the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And next thing inside right here, they do provide a little drawstring bag that you can use to actually carry the product or carry other stuff if you guys want to, which is really nice. And the inside the bag is actually very spacious for you to put a lot of stuff if you guys do need to the point that there's even zipper inside for you guys to put more stuff. Same thing for outside right here. We do have another zipper compartment here as well for you to put stuff outside. It does have the brand name, Momax Smart. And the quality of the bag, when you guys feel it, it does feel like a high quality material, which is really nice. So that is the first bag. Let me show you guys what else is inside. So next up right here, we do have a box. If you guys open it, inside right here, we do have a lot of stuff. So they do give you guys one of these adapters if you guys want to use it. If you guys live in the EU or something. Here we do have another one. Here we have another one. This one's like a US plug. And then here is a cable for us to use. So this is what the cable looks like. And they also provide you guys this option as well if you guys need to use it. The way how to take it out is by pushing right here and twisting it to take it out really easily. And that is what the inside looks like. So it's actually really cool how they do provide a lot of different adapters for you to use regardless of where you guys do use it. But since we are in America, we're going to use a US plug. So I'll put this on just like that. Very easy and very simple. And the next thing inside, we do have the actual product. So let's take out the wrapper. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right here in front, we do have the brand name. Top right here, we do have the wireless charging option, which I'll test out in a second. So throughout the product on the side right here, eventually we do have the LED light that should turn on when you guys use it. Same thing for other side right here. When you guys look at the bottom, they do have the speaker for you guys to use because it does have the white noise option and also work as an alarm clock like I mentioned. If you can see for the feet right here, actually very cute, but they do have like the non-slip material on here to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. On the bottom right here, we do have a lot of buttons for you to press. So it looks like we do have a Bluetooth option, a power option, one timer option, and two timer option. And right here, we probably have like the white noise option or sleep mode option. And this one's probably for Wi-Fi connection. So those are all different buttons available. Feel free to look at the user manual to see what each one is for, but we will test out in a second. On the side right here is where the plug-in cable to recharge it. So you do want plug-in cable where it's an input. And the other one is a USB-C option for you to use it output. Maybe if you guys want to charge like a phone or something at the same time. And that is everything that's on the product. So this product is actually very cool how she gives you guys so many different options available. And I feel like it's a perfect device if you guys do have kids. Since it does work as a nightlight option with a different color option available. They mentioned how there's 9 different color options available. And like I mentioned for the product, it works as a white noise option for you guys to use. So there is supposed to be 7 different sounds when you guys do use it. And supposedly you do have the option to download the app to control it on the app using voice control or the app control on top of the button controls on here, which is really cool. But that is everything that's on the product. What I'm doing right now is to plug it in to show you guys how it looks like and how it works. So I do plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, let's turn it on. So I do want to press the power button at the bottom. And see how the number does turn on in the bottom. So obviously if you guys use it in darker setting, it'll look a lot better, which I will show you in a second. But feel free to adjust the clock on here if you guys do need to. What I'm doing right now is try a different button on here and see what happens. So I do press the Bluetooth. Let's connect it on the Bluetooth. Alright, so we got connected. So not only can you guys use it as a white noise machine, but you guys can use speaker on here to play music. Let's test it out. Alright, so when here the speaker on here definitely does work. Now let's try to use the wireless charging option to see when it actually works as well. So we have to put your phone on here. And see how it does work. So if you guys want to, you can feel free to use the wireless charging option at the same time while using the output right here to recharge another device. But let's test it out. So right here I do my anchor cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys plug it in, the other side you're going to plug it into the device. So for this test, I'm plug it right here. So once you guys do plug it in, you can see how it starts working. So for the output option, it does allow you guys to recharge the device at the same time if you guys want to, which is pretty cool. So on the bottom right here, we do have the button for you to turn on the white noise option. But in order for you guys to change different white noise on here, you guys have to use app, which I'll show you guys in a second. Right here, we do have the Wi-Fi button for us connected on the app. And on both sides of the feed right here, it does give you guys the option to turn on the RGB option to also work as snooze button. So I do press on it one time. You guys can see how I change different color on here, which is really cool. So the buttons are right here or right here, or you can press the power button. That turns it on and off. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. What I'm doing right now is actually connected on the app. So the app you guys want to download is called Momax Smart. So if you guys don't have the app, feel free to download it first. I have it right here, so I'm actually showing you guys what it looks like. So here's what the app looks like once you guys do finish downloading it. So if you guys don't have an account, feel free to create an account. But I'm actually logging in first. So once you guys finish logging in, here's what the app looks like. So if you guys press right here, you guys want to add device. Once you guys click on add device, this is what the app looks like. So you see right here how I actually found the device. So I click on add. And you guys want to connect onto Wi-Fi. So I'm actually do that first. So right now you can see it is connecting. So once you guys connect it onto Wi-Fi, it tells you guys to press and hold this button right here until you guys see a blinking light. Once you guys see the blinking light, and right now you can see it found the device. So I'm waiting for it to connect and it added successfully. And you see how it is added successfully. So you can click right here. And now you can start using it. So once you guys got connected, this is what the app looks like. So it does show you the time and also the temperature on here as well. And it does give you guys option on here for you to change different settings if you guys do need to. So if you guys do press on the first one, that turns on the light. If you guys press on again, it turns it off. If you guys press the middle button, it changes this color, turn it off. The third one is like an RGB color, you can see. Press again, it turns off. And the cool thing about each one of these is the fact that when you guys do press on it, it does have a lot of different options available in terms of built-in light mode option. Or if you guys go back, if you guys press this one, you guys can change the different color if you guys want to on here as well. And if you guys press right here, you do have the option connected onto a Google Assistant or Alexa as well, which is really cool if you guys want to use a voice assistant. And like I mentioned for the product, it does have 2 alarm options if you guys want to use that. And right here we do have the white noise option, so we do tap on it. Here are different options available for you guys to set in terms of how long you guys want to keep it on and different sounds. So I do click right here. Here are the different options available for you. Let's test it out to show you guys what it actually sounds like. So try the white noise option first. Let's turn it on. So this would be forest fire. This would be white noise. This would be lullaby. And here's the 4th sound option. And turn the color on here when you guys use the nightlight option, feel free to change it on here as well. And you also have the option to adjust the volume on here if you guys do need to, which is pretty cool. So you can see the overall design of the pod definitely looks and feels like a high quality material with a lot of different features on here. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use Alexa to control it, feel free to do so. Let's test it out. So I do have my Alexa app right here. If you guys do test it out, Alexa, turn on nightlight. So what I'm going to do first is change the name to make it a little bit easier. I'm gonna call it nightlight. Alright, so we're gonna change. Now let's test it out. Alright, so I got it all connected. It took me a while to test everything out, but there are some things that works on here and something that does not work. So if you guys want to turn it on and turn it off, it does work. But if you guys want to change a different color on here, it would not work. Let's test it out. So right here, I do my Alexa on my phone. So let's give it a try. Alexa, turn on room light.
Sorry, what device?
Room light.
Okay.
Alright, so you see it does work. Alexa, set room light to 1%. Alexa, set room light to 100%. Alright, so you see it does work. So it's not 100%, but the way how to design it, it does allow you to use it if you guys want to. But it's probably much easier for you to use it on your phone or use it manually on here. So that's a quick little demo to show you guys app control on here definitely does work. And that is everything that's on the product. Let me bring this over to a darker setting to show you guys what the product looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so here is what the product looks like when you guys do turn it on and bring it to a different room. You can see how it does show you the time on there, how it's connected to Wi-Fi, and it shows you the temperature on here as well. If I do turn on the light, this is what the product looks like in a darker setting. Now let's turn on a different light to show you guys what it actually looks like. So what I'm going to do is press down. and that will turn it on, you can see. If I do make the room a little bit darker, this is what the product looks like. You can see it actually looks pretty nice. Let me change different color on here to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here is what the product looks like when you guys change different color on here. So it might be a little bit hard for me to show it in the video, but what's happening right now is changing different color, if you can see. So then feel free to change different color on here and play around with it if you guys want to. But this is what the product looks like in a dark setting. If you guys do want to turn off the light, what I'm going to do is press and hold it. And that will turn it off. And then that is what the screen looks like when you guys do turn it on. So for the product, they do have a night mode option where it actually turns on the light, but it's not as bright. And the way how I know is that when you guys open the light, it looks so much harder for you to see it. Compared to when you guys turned it off earlier, you guys can see the light much brighter in terms of the time, etc. So feel free to turn it on and turn it off in the settings if you guys need to. But here's what the product looks like in a dark setting. Welcome back, guys. So nice quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So I can see the whole set of parts and everything definitely took some time, but once you guys figure everything out, it definitely does work. It's really cool how to give you guys so many different options available on here in terms of the boot light option, the night light option, alarm option, wire charging, and so much more. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality white noise machine that also work as a nightlight option and also give you guys a wire charging option and so much more like I mentioned, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your mind something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.